Hello students, myself Nidhi Ghetia from Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. Subhas Technical Campus. So today is our study of the subject that is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1, that's called is BP202 TP. Okay, so in this subject we will start our fifth chapter, that is alkyl halide. Okay, so today is our study of the content, that is introduction of the alkyl halide, naming of the alkyl halide, and then classification of the alkyl halide and method of preparation of the halides, alkyl halides. Okay, so introduction. The organic compound derived from the alkanes by the replacement of the hydrogen atom by the halogen atom are known as the alkyl halide or haloalkane. Okay, any organic atoms compounds are derived from the alkane by replacement of the hydrogen from hydrogen to halogen atoms. Okay, so that's called the alkyl halide. Or another definition, that is any organic compound having any halogen atoms, that's called the alkyl halide. Okay, and then that general formula, that is Rx. So here R means alkyl chain and X means halogen group. Okay, then nomenclature of the alkyl halide, that is a naming system of the alkyl halide. So the common naming system, they are named as a halide from of the alkyl group present. Okay, so that's called the alkyl halide. And as per IUPAC naming system, the longest carbon chain is designated as the parent chain. Okay, then the substituents are named as a prefix and their position are indicated by the suitable numbers. Okay, so the numbering is done in such a way that the carbon atom bearing halogen in assigned the lowest possible numbers. Okay, so the compound is named the haloalkane. Okay, as per the IUPAC naming system, alkyl halides naming is naming as per IUPAC naming, that is haloalkane, and as per common naming, that is alkyl halide. Okay, so these are the some examples of the alkyl halide. So first, that is a CH3 and Cl. Okay, so that's as per common naming system naming, that is a methyl chloride, and IUPAC naming system chloromethane. Okay, then another example, that is a C2H5Cl. So as per common naming ethyl chloride, and as per IUPAC naming chloroethane. Okay, then another structure, that is a CH3CH2CH2Cl. So that's common naming system, as per common naming system N-propyl chloride, and as per IUPAC naming system 1-chloropropane. Okay, so fourth number example, that is the fourth carbon having, so butyl. Okay, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2Cl. Okay, so that name is as per common naming system N-butyl chloride, and as per IUPAC naming system 1-chlorobutane. Okay, so this is a nomenclature of the alkyl halides. Now we see the classification of the alkyl halides. So alkyl halides are classified in a three class: primary, secondary and tertiary, depending upon the whether a halogen atom is attached to the primary, secondary or tertiary carbon atom. So primary halide, that is a carbon atom attached with the only one alkyl group, that is a primary halide. Okay, then secondary halide, that is a carbon atom attached with the other two alkyl groups, that called the secondary halide. And tertiary halides, carbon atom attached with the other three alkyl groups, that's called the tertiary halide. Okay, so method of the preparation. Now we study the method of the preparation. Mainly four types of the process are follows here. So first one, that is from alcohol, then preparation from the hydrocarbon, and then by halide exchange, and then from silver salt of the fatty acid. So here we learn the first, that is from alcohol. Okay, method of preparation from alcohol. So it is a most convenient method for preparation of the alkyl halides. It involves the substitution of the OH group of an alcohol by the halogen atom. Okay, OH group are replaced by the halogen atoms. This can be achieved by any one of the following methods. Okay, so here three methods are here. So by action of the halogen acid, then by action of the phosphorus halides, and then by action of the thionyl chloride. So here first one, that is by action of the halogen acid. So alcohol can be converted into haloalkane by the action of halogen acid, that is HX. Halogen acid means HX. Okay, so alcohol. First we take the alcohol. This is a general reaction. So in this we take the alcohol. Okay, plus any halogen acid. First hydrogen and halogen attach with same molecule, that's called the halogen acid. And after the making alkyl halide and one water molecule also removed. Okay, so the given alcohol, the order of the reactivity of halogen acid follows the sequence, that is HI greater than SBr greater than HCl. Okay, so here it is because of the fact that is iodine is a stronger nucleophile than the bromine, which is done in the stronger nucleophile than the chlorine. Okay, iodine is the strongest nucleophile. Then also same reactivity of the alcohol sequence, that is a tertiary, secondary and primary in greater than sequence. Okay, so here in first method, that is by action of the halogen acid, in action of the halogen acid first method, that is a preparation of the chloroalkane. Okay, so primary and secondary alkyl halides can be prepared from the primary and secondary alcohol by the reaction with dry HCl gas in the presence of the Lewis acid as a catalyst. Okay, anhydrous ZnCl2. And no such catalyst is needed in the case of the tertiary alcohol, and ordinary concentrated HCl is sufficient to carry out the reaction. So first we learn the reaction with the primary alcohol. Okay, so here example ethanol, we take the 1 mole of the ethanol plus hydrochloric acid in the anhydrous ZnCl condition and maintain the higher temperature, that is a delta temperature. No specific temperature mentioned here, so delta temperature. Okay, and after the reaction chloromethane Cl are exchanged with the OH. Okay, so chloroethane are generated and one water molecule are removed. Okay, and then reaction with the tertiary secondary alcohol, that is a propanol. Okay, we take the here propanol and also reacted with the hydrochloric acid and hydrochloric acid at a anhydrous ZnCl2, that is a catalyst agent. Okay, and at a delta temperature, and 2-chloropropane plus water molecule are removed. As per same, that is a reaction with the tertiary alcohol, that is 2-methylpropanol plus 1 HCl molecule at a room temperature. No any catalysts are required here, and no maintain the any temperature. Perform the at only and only room temperature. Okay, so 2-methylpropanol plus HCl plus reaction are follows in a room temperature, and we get the 2-chloro-2-methylpropane and one water molecule also liberated. Okay, then second reaction, that is a preparation of the bromoalkane. So primary alcohol can be converted to alkyl bromide by the reaction with the HBr in the presence of the small amount of the concentrated H2SO4 as a catalyst. Okay, so in secondary and tertiary alcohol, no such catalysts are required. Okay, so in the presence of the H2SO4, in case secondary or tertiary alcohol also leads to formation of the alkene due to dehydration. So this reaction performed by the refluxing alcohol by constant boiling aqueous solution of the HBr at a 48 degrees Celsius. Okay, here condition are the maintained, that is a reflex condensation reaction follows here. Okay, so first we take the one ethanol plus HBr. Okay, both are reacted in a reflux condition and with concentrated H2SO4, that is as a catalytic agent. and making the bromoethane and one water molecule are removed. Okay, so this is second number reaction, that is preparation of the bromoalkane. Now we see the third number reaction, that is a preparation of the iodoalkane. So iodoalkane can similarly be obtained by the refluxing suitable alcohol, that is primary, secondary and tertiary, with constant boiling aqueous hydroiodic acid 57%. Okay, so here we take the first ethanol plus hydroiodic acid, that is HI, and maintain the condition, that is a reflux, and we get the one iodoethane plus one water molecule are liberated. Okay, so this is a third number preparation, that is a preparation from iodoalkane. Now we see the B, that is by the action of the phosphorus halide. So here alcohol react with the phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 and phosphorus trichloride, that is PCl3, to yield the chloroalkane. Okay, so here we take the PCl5. Okay, so here first, that is alcohol and PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, and both are reacted and making the one chloroethane and phosphorus trichloride are removed and one HCl are liberated. Okay, so here first example, that is this is a general reaction. Now we see the naming reaction. Okay, so we take the one ethanol plus PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, both are reacted and making the chloroethane and one POCl3, that is phosphorus trichloride liberated and one HCl molecule also liberated. Okay, then now we see the third number reaction, that is by the addition of by the action of the thionyl chloride. So here chloroalkane can be conveniently prepared by the refluxing alcohol with a thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, in the presence of the pyridine, that is C5H5N. Okay, so this reaction of straight chain primary alcohol in the presence of the presence or absence of the pyridine is called the Darjan's reaction. Okay, so either presence or absence of the pyridine, that's reaction called the Darjan's reaction, and this reaction only and only for the straight chain primary alcohols. Okay, and that thionyl chloride, that is a SOCl2. Okay, so here general reaction, that is a ROH, that is alcohol, plus SOCl2, that is thionyl chloride. Okay, in the presence of the pyridine, we get the chloroalkane plus SO2 are add in a air and HCl also as in a gaseous form removed. Okay, then naming reaction, that is ethanol plus thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine reacted and generate the one chloroethane plus SO2 are add in a air as a gaseous form, and also HCl are add in a gaseous form. Okay, so thank you to all.